welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, you're very much welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this beautiful family. Okay, and if you're my returning subby, my day one, you already know what time it is, so please say it with me, baby. Welcome and thank you. In today's video, I am looking stunning. Can you take a moment of silence for this look? Because honey, it's a pearl. Okay. Moment of silence. Whew. Thank you. Honey, can we talk about this unit? What? Where's Kiss? What? The highlights, my darling. Let me get closer so you can see the highlights, okay? Look at the highlights, my lord. West Kiss Hair were kind enough to send me this stunning unit. This is a 16-inch unit. I customized it to my preference. It was a body wave. I did straighten it up, but honey, I am loving how it came out. It looks absolutely gorgeous on me, and every detail that you need regarding this hair will be on the description box, as you guys know, and you guys can go and buy yourselves her, okay? And also, if you're not into color, maybe you can always look for something else because they have a variety of hair. So yeah, without wasting any of your time, watch me install this unit. And what? Yes. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, I am reviewing West Kiss Hair once again. This is their second time sending me a unit, and this is a 16-inch unit. So I'm just showing you guys. I got wig cap, lashes. This is 16-inch, a 13x4 wig. It's a body wave. It's a 613 highlight, and that's me showing you guys what's inside the wig. You get your 3 combs, and I'm pretty much showing you how deep the lace is, and also there's no shedding. Also, I'm showing you guys the plucking on the hair. As you guys know, I like to go in with my wigs and just try to customize them to my preference. If I'm not plucking them, I am definitely going to style them to my preference. So because this is a 16-inch wig and it's a body wave, I didn't feel like a curly short hair. I decided to straighten this hair up, and that is me just using my straightener and sectioning this hair while at it. So as you can see, it took it very well, and that is me just trying to melt the lace using my wax stick from Alice, and also going in with my hot comb. Like I said, this hair takes heat quite well, so you don't have to worry about it burning because of your straightener or your hot comb. Okay, so that is me working section, also trying to slick the front of it before I install it. I really prefer styling my wigs before installing them, just seeing where am I going with them or how can I style them better. So yeah, that is me working in section also with the wax tape, because I really want a slick down frontal. Okay, so the trick is you are gonna work in section while you're using your wax stick and hot comb, as I am doing. As you can see, the lace is flat, it's laid to the guards, obviously. Okay, but also, can we just appreciate the highlights? And now I'm taking my hair cutter and I am just cutting all the split ends, or rather the light hair at the end of the wig, and I'm creating sort of like a long bob. But yeah, you'll see. Can we just trust the process? And I'm taking my straightener and I am going back in and just straightening this hair. And yeah, now it's time for me to install this hair. I'm just using my foundation to blend with my wig cap, and I'm just checking how this wig fits. And I did cut the lace off camera, as you can see, and now I am just going to try and put it in. But now I have to start with my glue. As you guys know, I'm going to use my gut to be glue. We're not doing the bowl cap method. and I'm using my hair dryer on cool air just to dry out that glue. I kind of feel like this is an easy way if you are not familiar with the ghost bond. So yeah, that is me just trying to melt down that wig. As you can see, I am working in sections, and I feel like this is a lot of work, but okay, it's whatever. I need to finish what I started. So like I said, I'm working in sections, and I'm using my got to be and my hair dryer to pretty much melt this lace down. And as you can see, it's looking promising. Okay, I'm not mad. I love how the lace is. It's not an HD lace. I think it's a transparent lace, but I do love how it looks with my scalp, or rather my skin. I'm just pressing it down with my comb, making sure it's intact. And I also used rubbing alcohol to remove the excessive glue. And now I'm doing my edges. You guys know where I do my edges. I kind of like them pretty very basic and simple. And I always lay my edges down with a mousse. I use the anti-jerky one. You can use any one you prefer, or any kind you prefer. And now I'm using my elastic band just to melt down that wig. And that is the final look. I did my makeup off camera, and honey, I did a side part because the middle part just fell odd. But look at that bob, look at the magic, look at the highlights, look at the color, look at how that hair looks, feels, moves. You can't tell me anything else. I'm sorry, you just cannot tell me anything else. This hair looks stunning, and I really love it. And yeah, that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. But yeah, I look pretty. Okay, that's on perp. Bye guys, I love you.